The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Welcome to YourBookSummary.com. The magic formula for successful investing is to buy good businesses at bargain prices. A good business is one that earns a high return on capital. This formula, created by stock market expert Benjamin Graham, aims to help investors make a profit by purchasing stocks at prices lower than their true value. While it may be difficult to find stocks that meet Graham's strict criteria in today's market, investors can still achieve solid returns by focusing on companies with high returns on capital and earnings yields. Over the past 20 years, investors who followed this strategy have seen an impressive return on investment of 30% per year, far exceeding the market average. However, this approach requires patience and belief in the long-term potential of the investments, which can be challenging for many investors. I hope you found the information about The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.